I wanted to show the bird's nest in the vent. It's the one on the left right there. We go look inside it. I'm actually getting a taller ladder because this job and another job I gotta do out there. Alright. Set the screen down. Okay, so you can see the bird dropping right on the wall right here. Make sure the camera is upside down. Anyway, there's quite a bit of bird dropping right there on the wall. Before the screen was installed, the bird got inside, and we look inside here. And they're using a flex connector. This is a big Cloverleaf thing, which is against code. Not supposed to have a flex connector in there. And then there's the bird's nest. And what's happened is the flex connector is looking around. You can see inside the space. The flex connector. See there, you can see the joist, the bird's nest, and then the steel pipe. The steel pipe is going to be behind the flex connector, and so I'll have a taller ladder. What I can do is basically just remove this whole piece, make the hole a little bigger, and I should be able to repair this from the outside and not have to do any drywall.